guys, welcome back to Borla Chefs. My name is Colleen and today we're going to make cauliflower or gobi, if you know that in Hindi, tikka. It's a medium difficulty level, so it's not a super easy recipe, but we're going to show you step by step and you'll be able to follow through pretty easily. Don't forget, we always put the description of exactly the ingredients you need in the comments below. If you do have a barbecue, feel free to barbecue the marinated gobi, or you could do it on a stovetop grill. So you really do have a choice. Again, if you do like the recipe, please leave us a comment, hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you and hope you like it.
So we're starting with large florets of cauliflower. We're going to blanch them for 2 to 3 minutes, and promptly thereafter we're going to remove them in a paper towel to ensure we're removing all of the excess water as you want it super dry. We're now going to move on to the base of the coating mixture. We'll start with oil, some carom seeds, which is also called Ajwain. Of course, chickpea flour, which is going to be their main coating mixture. And we're going to continuously mix this on low heat. That's the trick here. You don't want to burn the flour. So you're going to continuously do that for a few minutes and until you reach this consistency. We're now going to add yogurt. If you do have Greek yogurt, that would be better. Or if you have hung curd, that would also work. So really just limit the water content of your yogurt. Now we're going to add turmeric. And we're going to then add some salt. Following up with the king of Indian spices, Garam Masala. Then we're going to add a ginger, garlic, chili paste, dried fenugreek leaves, which are optional for sure, coriander powder, this probably is good to have, red chillies, and now we're just going to mix it well. So we're going to add one last ingredient to the marinade, and that is lemon, just to balance out the flavors. And now we're going to add the cauliflower florets into the marinade, and we're going to let it marinate for around 20 minutes minimum. A little bit more would be helpful. And once the marination is done, we're just going to add it, or now we're ready to cook it, sorry. Put it on a stovetop grill, or if you have a barbecue, feel free to use a barbecue as well. Put it into skewers, which is what we did for, some half of these cauliflower florets here. So we did try both methods and they do work perfectly well. So here you have it. There is your cauliflower tikka.